Are you ready to transform your home this summer? Discover the 30 items you need to declutter for a cleaner, more organized space. Don't miss out on the chance to achieve a fresh and clean house this season. Stay tuned for the ultimate decluttering guide by typing "I am a minimalist" in the comments below. 1. Decluttering your kitchen. In the first step of achieving a clean and organized home, we'll focus on decluttering your kitchen. The kitchen is often the heart of the home, but it can also become a hub of clutter. Start by tackling those containers without lids. We all have them, those mismatched, dingy containers taking up valuable cupboard space. It's time to let go of the ones you can't find lids for or the ones that have seen better days. By doing this, you'll reclaim space and make your kitchen more efficient. 2. Simplify your mug collection. How many mugs do you really need? Most of us have more than we can use. It's a common temptation to collect cute or quirky mugs, but in reality, you only need a few for daily use. Keep a couple per person in your household and let go of the excess. Decluttering your mug collection will free up space and make it easier to find your favorite cup of morning coffee. 3. Say goodbye to expired spices. Spices add flavor to our meals, but they do have a shelf life. Check your spice rack and pantry for any expired or unused spices. Spices lose their potency over time, and if you haven't used them in a while, it's best to replace them. By doing this, you'll ensure that your dishes always taste their best and have a more organized kitchen. 4. Bid farewell to old dish towels. Dish towels serve a practical purpose, but they can accumulate quickly. Sort through your dish towels and keep only the ones that are in good condition and see regular use. Old, stained, or worn-out towels can be repurposed or discarded. By streamlining your dish towel collection, you'll have a neater and more efficient kitchen. 5. Condiment packets and expiry dates. How many ketchup, mustard, and mayo packets do you really need? Those little packets often pile up in the fridge's side door, and many of them are well past their best-by dates. It's time to clear out these condiment packets and keep only the essentials. This will not only free up space, but also ensure that you're using fresh, safe condiments. Attention, everyone! Ready to uncover the millionaire mindset and transform your financial goals into reality? Meet the Millionaire Mindset ebook, Your Key to Wealth Creation. Grab your free copy by clicking the link below, and if you found the video helpful, please like the video. 6. Tackle the mystery freezer food. Your freezer may hold a treasure trove of mysterious items that have been forgotten for years. It's time to uncover the secrets of your freezer and get rid of anything unidentifiable or long past its prime. Clearing out mystery freezer food will make meal planning easier and prevent food waste. 7. Evaluate unwanted non-consumable food. Our pantry shelves often house non-perishable food items that we thought we'd use but never did. Go through your pantry and donate unopened, non-expired items to those in need. Keeping only what you'll actually use will create a more organized and purposeful kitchen. 8. Unused or broken appliances. Appliances can take up a significant amount of space in your kitchen. Assess which appliances you use regularly and which ones are gathering dust. If an appliance is broken or hasn't been used in ages, it's time to let it go. This will free up counter space and make your kitchen more functional. 9. Simplify your dish and bowl collection. Many of us have more dishes and bowls than we need. Evaluate your collection and keep what's necessary for your family and entertaining needs. Donate or recycle the excess dishes and bowls, creating more storage space and a tidier kitchen. 10. Declutter totes and bags. If you have a surplus of totes and bags, it's time to downsize. Go through your collection and keep the practical and stylish options while letting go of the excess. This will create a more organized and clutter-free kitchen. 11. Bathroom towels. Your bathroom towels should be soft, absorbent, and in good condition. If you have old or worn-out towels that no longer serve their purpose, it's time to replace them. You'll enjoy a fresh and more spa-like bathroom experience. 12. Hair product management. The bathroom can become a storage space for various hair products, many of which you no longer use. Review your hair product collection and discard products that are expired or no longer relevant to your hair care routine. This will simplify your morning routine and reduce clutter. 13. Revamp your makeup collection. Just like spices in the kitchen, makeup has a limited shelf life. Sort through your makeup items, and if you find products that are expired or ones you no longer use, it's time to toss them. Keeping only what you need will make your beauty routine more efficient. 14. Nail polish essentials. How many nail polish colors do you actually use regularly? Keep the ones you love and that match your style. Let go of the excess nail polish bottles that are gathering dust. This will make your beauty routine simpler and more organized. 15. Hair accessories. Hair bands, scrunchies, and bobby pins have a way of multiplying. Review your hair accessories and keep the ones you use regularly, discarding or donating the rest. This will reduce bathroom clutter and make it easier to find what you need. Congratulations! You've made it halfway through the video, and we're thrilled to have you here with us. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and don't forget to hit the like button if you found this helpful. 16. Shower curtain streamlining. If you have multiple shower curtains that you no longer use, it's time to declutter. Keep the ones you love and donate or discard the ones that no longer match your bathroom decor. This will free up storage space and create a more cohesive look. 17. Travel bottles and toiletries. How many travel bottles and mini toiletries do you have tucked away? If you rarely travel or have an excessive supply, it's time to simplify. Keep a few essentials and let go of the surplus. This will declutter your bathroom and make packing for trips easier. 18. Reconsider your perfume collection. Perfumes can accumulate, but your scent preferences may change over time. Review your perfume collection and keep the fragrances you genuinely enjoy. Discard or give away the ones that no longer appeal to you. This will simplify your daily routine and free up space. 19. Bath toy organization. If you have kids, you're likely familiar with the challenge of bath toy clutter. Regularly declutter your child's bath toys, keeping only the ones they play with. This will create a tidier and more enjoyable bath time experience. 20. Simplify beauty product storage. Over time, beauty products can pile up, taking up valuable space in your bathroom. Review your beauty product collection and keep only the essentials. This will reduce clutter and make it easier to access the products you use regularly. 21. Socks sort out. Mismatched or worn-out socks often find their way into our drawers. Take the time to sort through your sock collection, match up pairs, and let go of any socks that are beyond repair. This will make your sock drawer more organized and mornings a bit smoother. 22. Scarf selection. Scarves can be a stylish accessory, but trends change and not all scarves fit regular use. Assess your scarf collection and keep the ones you love and wear. Donate or discard scarves that are out of style or no longer fit your wardrobe. This will streamline your closet. 23. Glove management. Winter gloves seem to accumulate quickly, even when you only have 2 hands. Review your glove collection, match up pairs, and keep what you need for the season. Discard or donate any gloves that are worn out or no longer fit. This will make your winter gear more efficient. 24. Clothing that fits. Our bodies change, and so should our wardrobes. If you have clothing that no longer fits or hasn't been worn in years, it's time to declutter. Donate or sell items in good condition and recycle or discard the rest. This will free up closet space for the clothes you love and wear. 25. Jewelry reassessment. Jewelry trends come and go, and it's easy to accumulate pieces that you no longer wear. Review your jewelry collection and keep the timeless classics and favorites. Discard or donate jewelry that is out of style or no longer appeals to you. This will make accessorizing simpler. 26. Shoe cleanup. Shoes often hold sentimental value, but hoarding them can lead to clutter. Review your shoe collection and keep the pairs you wear regularly and love. Donate or recycle shoes that are no longer in good condition or no longer fit your style. This will create more closet space. 27. Special occasion outfits. Special occasion outfits are often tucked away and rarely worn. If you have formal dresses, suits, or attire that you no longer use, it's time to declutter. Donate or sell items in good condition and make space for the clothes you wear more frequently. 28. Coat and jacket edit. Coats and jackets can accumulate, especially if you have seasonal varieties. Review your coat and jacket collection and keep what you genuinely wear. Donate or discard coats that are no longer in good condition or no longer suit your style. This will streamline your outerwear selection. 29. Bid farewell to holey underwear. Underwear with holes is a common but unnecessary presence in our drawers. Sort through your underwear collection and discard any items with holes or visible wear. Replacing these with fresh pairs will make you feel more comfortable and confident. 30. Purse prioritization. Handbags are a beloved accessory, but an excess of them can lead to clutter. Review your purse collection and keep the ones you use regularly. Donate or sell handbags that you no longer need, creating a more organized closet and a simplified daily routine. There you have it, 30 items that you don't need for a simple living. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with your friends and family. For more valuable content like this, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell so you never miss an update.